Hi everyone. Let's use artificial intelligence to optimally grow your stamp collection using perf48. Let's say you're adding a stamp to your collection. We'll show how you can use perf48 to identify the stamp, track that you own it, and analyze your collection. Let's start with identify. Perf48 is a worldwide stamp database. It has all of the stamp issuing entities of the world, from the classics right through to recent times. You can browse or search the data using over 10 filtering criteria. Each query displays a count of the stamps, the sets, the years, the value, and we use an open source ID. You can use perf48 seamlessly across devices. It's eco-friendly and paper-free. It's built by philatelists for philatelists. It's stamp data as a service. With perf48, you can save money and streamline collecting tasks. You can buy smarter, make better auction bids, and set a proper hobby budget. You can know if something you purchase is as advertised by comparing what you receive to the dealer's promised value. You can run queries as research for exhibits and blogs. You can know how to create sorting piles, and you can use analytics to set a collecting scope. Everything you see here is available with a free perf48 account. From this point in the presentation, we'll be discussing capabilities that are enabled if you upgrade your free perf48 account to a paid subscription. Next, let's track which stamps you have in your collection. It's easy. You just click on the stamps you own. There's no data entry, no personal lists or spreadsheets or access databases to compile. The stamps are already entered, you just click on which ones you own. You can save money with perf48. Don't accidentally buy stamps you already own. Your collection and your want list go with you anywhere, always available and always current in the cloud. The real power of perf48 comes from analyzing your collection and harnessing the power of the analytics for data-driven insights. If you can add just one click to your collecting routine, you can generate exponential benefits. You can exploit data to grow the value of your collection efficiently. Know what you own. With each query, whether it's your whole collection, a whole country, or very specific narrowed scope, you can know the size and value of your collection. You can know how much insurance protection to purchase. You can track your growth over time. You can feel a sense of pride of the accomplishment you've made in your collection. You can compare your collection with others, or compare your collection to the total universe of stamps which exist. And you can celebrate milestones and goal attainment. It starts with the dashboard. Know what you have by country. There's totals for the number of stamps, the value, and the share that you own of the country. But it's more than stats. You can ask analytical questions. What have been the result of your stamp collecting investments to date? Where should you focus new investments? Are there patterns to the gaps in your collection that might help you buy efficiently? You can set country-specific goals for how complete you want to get each country. And perf48 proactively alerts you when it's time to switch from buying large collections and lots as a foundation to now filling in individual sets and single stamps. Of all the stamps you could buy, which should you buy next? perf48 has an artificial intelligence engine which analyzes your collection. You earn badges for areas where your collection is strong and dense. It gives you automatic next best stamp recommendations so that you can grow your collection most efficiently and maximize the value of your collection and achieve goals more frequently. So it's a philatelic first, artificial intelligence for stamp collectors. It helps you know, what should you be buying today? If you add this stamp to your collection, does it complete a goal? Or how does it advance you towards your goals? And it gives you those personalized recommendations, not for the average stamp collector out there, but for you and your stamp collection. Appreciate your buys. Know what they achieve. Celebrate those moments of attaining milestones. Feel that addictive sensation of completion more frequently. Get more out of the hobby. Here's what Perf48 looks like. It's a simplified one row per stamp, and varieties of the stamp are shown as attributes. These attributes and icons have hover hints, which help to reduce clutter on the screen. Sets are together, so there's no more flipping to back of the book sections. If the set has a couple airmail stamps in it, you see them all together, or you can query them separately. All the stamps are in one row, and it's a picture-free view, which helps you see the patterns in the data. In lieu of having pictures, there's a triad of topic fields, which help you visualize the stamp just using data. There's a description field, a field for the topic depicted on the stamp, and a field for the topic commemorated by the stamp. The listings are in one long scrolling view, so there's no waiting for pages to load. The stamps you own are visible right in the main body of data. They're not saved off to a separate folder. It's important that you be able to see what you own relative to the universe of stamps. See what you own and other statistics and analytics for every single query. And you earn those badges, which tell you what it means to add the stamp to your collection and where your collection is strong. So sign up today at perf48.com. Perf48, a unique philatelic analytics platform for the data-driven stamp collector. Just click on the stamps you own, earn badges where your collection is strong. Your want list is generated for you automatically in real time using artificial intelligence with personalized collecting recommendations. Perf48, worldwide stamp data and analytics as a service for just $2.48 a month. Thank you.